The 2025 Yamaha FAZER 250 is here, and it's bringing some exciting updates that are sure to please motorcycle enthusiasts. Let's take a closer look at what's new in this stylish and practical ride. For 2025, the FAZER 250 features a sleeker look with new fairings, a redesigned headlight block top, and stylish side fins on the fuel tank. These changes give the motorcycle a modern and aggressive aesthetic, perfect for riders who want to make a statement on the road. In line with Yamaha's 2025 lineup, the FAZER 250 now comes with Bluetooth connectivity. Using a dedicated app, riders can access several convenient features, such as scheduled maintenance alerts, battery voltage monitoring, average fuel consumption per trip, and last parking spot reminder. This integration of smart technology ensures a more connected and hassle-free riding experience. The 2025 FAZER 250 also comes equipped with full LED lighting, enhancing visibility and adding a premium touch. There's even a 12V socket for charging devices on the go, a handy feature for long rides or daily commutes. The motorcycle's digital instrument panel has been upgraded with a screen that is 59% larger than before. It also features improved graphics, making it easier to read essential information while riding. Under the hood, the FAZER 250 retains its reliable 249 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine. While it's no longer flex fuel, it delivers dependable performance with power 21.3 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and torque 2.1 kgfm at 6,000 RPM. The engine features air cooling assisted by an oil cooler and uses a single overhead camshaft to manage its two valves. The 5-speed manual transmission remains unchanged, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The FAZER 250 strikes a balance between agility and comfort with the following dimensions: length, 2,015 mm; width, 770 mm; height, 1,070 mm; wheelbase, 1,360 mm; seat height, 795 mm; ground clearance, 160 mm. It weighs 151 kilograms curb weight and features a 14.8-liter fuel tank with a 1.8-liter reserve. These specs make it a versatile choice for urban riding and weekend adventures. Yamaha offers the 2025 FAZER 250 in 4 eye-catching color combinations: matte gray with black wheels, crystal white with gold wheels, metallic blue with blue wheels, and metallic red with black wheels. The suggested retail price is $3,930.50, which is $99.98 more than the previous year's model. While the price has increased slightly, the updates and added features make it a worthwhile investment for riders seeking style, technology, and reliability. With its updated design, enhanced connectivity, and practical features, the 2025 Yamaha FAZER 250 is a strong contender in the 250 cubic centimeters category. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring open roads, this motorcycle offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and modern technology.